Lately, we've been doing quite a few Instagram, TikTok and YouTube short videos, and lo and behold, this week we have been offered this YARRASHOP F-537 tabletop selfie ring light. It does retail around about £34, that's 37 US dollars, but the question is it up to the job? After all, there are quite a few competitive ring lights on the market with a slightly lower price. Well, let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. It's a pleasure to see you all once again. If you're new to this channel, please show some love by subscribing just now. I'd really much appreciate it. Now it does state on the box that you can get this selfie ring light in a black, white and pink version. As we are aware though, you can only get it in a black and white version at this particular moment in time. I love pink. Well, it's tough. As we open up the box, everything is fairly well packaged and protected. We get a very simplistic but readable setup guide. We got that 8-inch YARRASHOP ring light itself. Yes, it does look very simple, but it does have a USB connection with a wired remote control unit sitting halfway down it. It's a shame it's not a wireless one, but it is however quite versatile. Let's move it aside just for a sec, and what is also supplied is an adjustable mobile phone mount, which I may note I'm quite used to these type of mounts. And I do suspect if you have a large type mobile phone, for example like the new iPhone, it will most probably not fit this mount. But it should be however quite good for standard mobile phones. But one thing I really do like is that weighted pure white solid metal base. It has a threaded mount where I guess this adjustable telescopic pole will simply screw into place. It does have a 1/4 inch threaded mount to the top. That, by the way, can be used with such devices like a mini movie projector or indeed the mobile phone mount which is supplied. And with that actual ring light itself screwed into place just like so, well, that telescopic pole can now be extended from 18-inch all the way up to 25.5 inches. Now don't worry about surface scratches on your tabletop, as the metal base does come with a pre-applied foam pad that also acts as a non-slip pad, and to top this simple installment off, we have also provided 2 plastic cable retaining clips. Now lastly, we have that mobile phone mount. It opens up, grasps and locks tightly around that telescopic pole, and all that's left to do really is now turn the light on. Which initially, the brightness, it doesn't seem to look that bad at all. So with that remote control, we do have 3 light modes to choose from, depending that is on what type of video shooting scene you're shooting. So for example, we've got the warm light mode, which does give us the appearance of a warmer climate. Boiling it is. There's that cool light mode, that gives us more of a clear 3-dimensional appearance. Enhancing facial features, which was perfect for us this week as we recorded some of our earphone reviews, There is also our natural mode too, and yes, 10 adjustable brightness levels, ranging from 3500K to 6500K, which is also, you know what, flicker free. The 8-inch F-537 lamp is rotatable, rotating 360 degrees. It is quick and easy to adjust to find the best preferred angle. And may I say, when shooting our few videos this week, we hardly experienced any type of ghosting or glare. We did actually shoot a few TikTok and YouTube short videos with this exact lamp this week, which if you want to see an example of this lamp working, it can be viewed upon them channels. I've got to say, for them exact purposes, this ring light serves them well. That is, may I add, without my day-to-day studio lights. I do think it was actually surprising and good to use within a quick moment, not only for those vertical selfie videos, but also for such things like Zoom meetings, by going ahead and placing it behind and above your laptop, and good for conferencing as well as live streaming too, making a big difference to the quality of your pictures or videos, and especially if you're making those makeup videos, it is an added aid to your existing light setup. Now the only thing I did wish for was a slightly longer USB power cord. I've also seen a few people online mentioning that this light won't work when it's plugged into their laptop, We have tested this out this week and it's worked quite good with ours. That is after plugging it both into the 2.0 and 3.0 ports upon that computer. Alright, this YARRASHOP LED ring light is a bit higher priced than other lamps on the market. But if you're choosing an added light that provides good quality face illumination, then this would be exactly what you should be looking for. Don't get me wrong, if you're looking for a massive type of studio illumination, and if you've got the money and you're looking for a full studio setup, then this light might not be up your street. But for those selfie videos, for simple little tasks, and completing those funny TikTok videos that you're doing at home, then this light may be for you. And on that bombshell, we are going to give this YARRASHOP F-537 ring light a score of 9 out of 10. That is obviously basing it within the budget category. Now I have left a link in the video description down below where you can go ahead and check this YARRASHOP ring light for yourself. I'm not affiliated in any type of way, so you're free to check the link out should you wish, but if you've liked what you've seen within this video, well why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in the video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video today, but most importantly please support us by subscribing. Bearing in mind also to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now it has been quite interesting reviewing this ring light this week, and we hope to be doing some more interesting tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. As usual guys, I hope you all stay safe, but thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!